Your insight should be related to a conversation that your value proposition is going to solve, if that makes sense, right? Like if I am able to, like our good friend Evan, save doctors time in making notes, my insight is not going to be physicians don't have the right umbrella coverage for their practice, right? It's going to be related to what I'm doing. But I want to make sure I'm crystal clear here. My insight is not there's a new piece of software that's going to save you time in taking notes. The insight is, man, doctors have less, because they're having more appointments, which everybody knows. What nobody's talking about is the distance in between those appointments has also become compressed. So physicians are now having to literally run and gun with sometimes as few as 2 to 3 minutes in between appointments. How are you dealing with that, Dr. Sean? Right? That's an example of an insight. Do you see how it relates to my value proposition? But it's something that maybe I was aware of, but I never consciously took into account of how serious it is, or something I never really even was aware of before, if that makes sense. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence. But it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.